Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save on dining out with Uber Eats, complete guide step by step clearly.
Start by downloading the Uber Eats app on your smartphone. Create an account or log in if you already have one. Browse through the available restaurants in your area.
Filter options based on your preferences, such as cuisine or dietary restrictions.
Check for promotions or discount codes at the top of the app. Look for restaurants that offer delivery deals.
Take note of any special offers, such as spend $20, save $5 promotions. Utilize the free delivery filter to find restaurants that waive delivery fees.
Consider ordering from local restaurants that often have lower delivery costs. Combine deliveries by ordering from the same restaurant with friends or family. Sign up for Uber Eats Pass to receive free delivery on eligible orders. Look out for promotional emails from Uber Eats offering exclusive discounts. Follow Uber Eats on social media for flash deals or limited time offers. Use referral codes to earn discounts on your first order or to share with friends.
Plan your order during off-peak hours to avoid surge pricing. Take advantage of loyalty programs from specific restaurants you frequently order from.
Always check the total cost before finalizing your order. Consider meal sharing options to split the cost and reduce expenses. Order items from the kids' menu or smaller portions for savings. Pay attention to app notifications for time-sensitive deals or discounts.
Lastly, regularly review your spending habits to adjust your dining out budget. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.